Hello everyone and welcome to our paper jewelry video. Today we'll be showing you how to make handmade designs on your jewelry like these. What we're going to need for them are the paper bases for our jewelry. We're using the semicircular bases that we made earlier. We'll be leaving a link of that in the comments below. We're using some gel pens in pastel fluorescent colors and also silver and golden metallic colors. And for the design, we're using a waterproof ultra fine point Sharpie. You can use any permanent marker pen. Now first, we're going to start with the basic design using our black pen, and then we're going to fill in with the colors. So we're going to keep both our semicircles together. And we're going to start drawing our design using our black pen. You can draw any design you want. If you're not very good at drawing straight lines by hand, you can use a ruler. Just keep these two semicircles together so that we can get an even design on both our earrings. Just playing around with geometric designs. You can make any kind of designs like tribal designs or floral designs, anything that you like. So we're just going to complete all the design in our black pen, and then we're going to fill it in with our colored pens. You can see we're almost done with the design that we're making. After we're done with the black pen, we're just going to let it dry a bit. And then we're going to fill it in with our gel colors. There, we're done with the design with our black pen. As you can see, we just put them together so that we can get an even design. So we've let our black marker dry out for a couple of minutes, and now we're going to start filling in with our gel pens. We're using just normal gel pens, and after these are dry, we can waterproof our earring. So starting with the topmost corner, we're just going to fill in the design using a colored gel pen. You can color them in one color or as many colors as you like. We're going to use different colors today. Be careful not to get too much gel pen on your black marker or it's going to smudge things. We don't want a smudged design. Going carefully between the lines, filling it in. You're going to fill the other one in the exact same colors. You can let this dry and then you can waterproof it and attach earring hooks on top. We have a few examples for you over here. You can see we've already waterproofed this one. This one we've done on a white base, but you can do them on a colored base as well. We've used a blue one over here. You can see we've used a metallic silver color to fill in the black one. And we've used a golden one for this. You can make spiral designs or tribal designs or geometric designs, anything you like. We have a one we've already made in a black base, and we can show you how to fill it up with a metallic pen. The same way as we did with our colored ones, using the colored gel pens, we can use a metallic gel pen and just fill in the designs where we want to. Being careful not to smudge over our black lines, or we'll lose the outline of a design. Similarly, we can fill into the areas that you want to. Like this. And then you can let it dry just like the gel pens and waterproof it. You can see now we filled our metallic filling in our black design, and it's ready to waterproof now. Just like the gel pen filling, you can waterproof this one like we've done to the other earrings. If you liked our video, don't forget to like and share our video, and also subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching our video.